Every engine has thousands of moving metal parts. Without engine oil, those parts would destroy themselves. Engine oil creates a protective film between moving parts, reducing friction, minimizing wear, and keeping the engine running smoothly. Without proper lubrication, friction increases dramatically, temperatures rise, and severe engine damage can occur within a very short time. Engine oil lubricates, cools, cleans, seals piston rings, protects against rust, and carries harmful contaminants to the oil filter. Poor quality engine oil can form sludge, increase wear, reduce fuel efficiency, and shorten engine life. Not all engine oils offer the same protection. Choosing the right quality oil can significantly improve engine performance, efficiency, and long-term reliability. The first parameter is viscosity. Always use the SAE grade recommended by your vehicle manufacturer for proper lubrication in both cold starts and high temperatures. Let's compare different oils under heat. Notice how this premium oil maintains its flow. This ensures consistent protection for your engine. Always check the API certification. Higher performance standards indicate that the oil has passed internationally recognized engine protection tests. Fully synthetic engine oil uses engineered molecules that provide superior wear protection or performance and outstanding stability under extreme temperatures and heavy engine loads. How to check engine oil yourself. Park on level ground, switch off the engine, wait a few minutes, then use the dipstick to check both the oil level and its condition. Fresh engine oil is usually amber in color. Extremely dirty, milky, or contaminated oil should be professionally inspected. If engine oil has a strong fuel smell, it may indicate fuel dilution caused by mechanical issues that require inspection. Engine noise, oil warning lights, excessive smoke, rough performance, or increased oil consumption are important warning signs that your engine oil needs immediate attention. Change your engine oil every 5 to 15,000 kilometers or every 6 to 12 months, as recommended by your vehicle manufacturer, and always replace the oil filter with every oil change. The same maintenance principles apply to motorcycles, cars, commercial vehicles, and tractors. However, always use the engine oil grade and specification by your vehicle manufacturer. Download the Automart app from Google Play for exclusive discounts and offers. Automart hai to trust hai. Subscribe to our channel and follow Automart on Facebook and Instagram for more expert automotive videos. Automart hai to trust hai.